Today I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a dashboard in Clickup so you can easily visualize your workflow and stay on top of your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform raw data into clear, actionable insights and keep your team organized at a glance. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open up your Clickup workspace. If you're already logged in, you'll see your homepage showing all the spaces you have access to. If not, just log in as you normally would. Your workspace is basically the central hub for all your projects, tasks, and collaboration, so think of it as your digital command center. Having everything here means you're already halfway organized. Next, select the project you want to visualize. In Clickup, projects are organized into folders or spaces, so just click on the one that's most important right now or the one you want better insights on. I recommend starting with a project that's actively in motion, maybe something your team is currently working on so you get the most out of these visualizations. Choosing the right project gives context. After all, a dashboard is only as useful as the information you let it show. Now, once you're inside the project, look towards the top or side panel and click View. This section is super important because ClickUp lets you switch between different ways to see your tasks. Could be a list, a board, a calendar, and yes, dashboards. By clicking View, you're essentially telling ClickUp, I want a fresh perspective on what's happening here. With the View options open, select Dashboards. Dashboards in Clickup are powerful because they bring all your tasks, project progress, and key workflow metrics together. Instead of jumping from tab to tab or scrolling endlessly, dashboards streamline everything, making it visually clear and easy to track. It's like seeing the cockpit dashboard in a plane. It lays out all your instruments in one place so you can make smarter decisions faster. The next step is to choose the Click Simple Dashboard template. Templates are your best friend here. They're pre-built sets of widgets and charts designed to give you instant value without having to set up anything from scratch. The simple dashboard template is fantastic for most projects, providing a clean overview with progress bars, status indicators, and key task lists. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by raw data, templates will help you cut through the clutter and focus on what matters. Just click it and let ClickUp do the heavy lifting. At this point, you'll immediately see a visualization of your workflow. The dashboard updates in real time to show current statuses, overdue tasks, what's coming up, and more, all tailored to the project you selected. Take a moment here to really look at what's appearing. Each widget pulls from your project's data, which means the dashboard is now acting like your project's health monitor. This is the power of visualization. Instead of guessing where bottlenecks might be or wondering if tasks are slipping through the cracks, you have everything displayed in front of you. If something looks off or a chart seems empty, don't worry. It's just a sign that maybe you need to assign a few more tasks or update some statuses. Dashboards thrive on up-to-date information, and that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you've gone from a standard project view to a dynamic visual workflow manager. This will help you spot trends, track productivity, and make more informed decisions every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and drop a like below. If you have any questions or run into anything unexpected, just leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more guides on mastering ClickUp and other productivity tools, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.